Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude Something Went Wrong error. So to fix that, go to your settings, scroll down and go to General. Next, select iPhone storage. From here, scroll down until you see Claude. If you can't find it, click Show All and click Claude. Next, tap Offload App to free up storage used by the app. So click Offload App again. Once Reinstall app appears, click on it and wait for it to finish. Once done, go ahead and open Claude and see if that works. Next, you can also close Claude app completely, so swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. Next, you can also go to settings again, then go to general, go to software update, and make sure your iOS is updated. So check if there's any available updates and update it to the latest version. Once updated, open Claude and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.